that you are in love with someone doesn't mean that you should disassociate yourself completely from everyone. Maintain your relationships, maintain your friends, maintain your hobbies, do the things you like. The only thing you have to put in mind is that have boundaries. Know where you have to stop. For example, I mentioned in a video before that you should avoid the opposite sex when you get married. True. So, if you are in a relationship, know your boundaries. Know where to stop. Do not cross the line. Because remember, much as you have to maintain contact and you're friends with other people, you still have to respect your partner's feelings. Number 7, always put God first, guys. Do not forget to put God first. Number 9, heartbreak isn't the end of the world. Breakups happen. It could even be an open door to a happier, better relationship. I'm not saying be all the time open to heartbreaks, but when it happens, when breakup happens, do not kill yourself for it. It will pass. Number 8, always have your brain turned on during your relationship. Yes. Do not love with your heart alone. Take your brain along with you on your journey of love. To avoid regrets later. I know it's hard, but when you put it in practice, it will work for you. When it happens, accept that it will pass. It is something that always happens. You are not the first and you are not the last. It could be a gateway to a happier life. Number 10, never be afraid to fall in love again. Yes, if a bad door didn't close, a good door will not open. Accept that new things happen. There is light at the end of the tunnel. So when a bad door closes, allow a good door to open. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell. Share my videos and give them a like if you like it. Thank you. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.